What's up, everyone? Today we're taking a deep dive into a car that's been a staple on Indian roads for nearly 3 decades, the new Honda City. Honda is calling this evolution the Shopen era, focusing on Shopen design, Shopen technology, and Shopen presence, aimed squarely at a new generation of vibe seekers. The first thing you'll notice is the updated front face. It's been engineered for a sharper look that also improves the car's aerodynamics. The City is now the longest sedan in its segment, giving it a sleek aerodynamic silhouette. Full LED lighting, including bi-LED projector headlights, is now standard across all variants, paired with a redesigned rear bumper, a gloss black garnish, and sporty clear lens tail lamps. While there are 6 shades in total, the new obsidian black and bright rising blue are the standout choices for those wanting to make a statement. Inside, the cabin features a new 10.1-inch floating touchscreen audio system that supports wireless casting so you can ditch the cords. The atmosphere is elevated by an ambient illumination system and premium ivory leather interiors. For those hot days, Honda has introduced an active ventilation system for the front seats, which offers a 40% larger ventilation area for faster cooling. You also get the must-haves, like a one-touch electric sunroof and the next-gen Honda Connect telematics. Under the hood, you have 2 distinct choices. There's the legendary 1.5-liter iVTEC petrol engine, available with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed CVT. Then there's the eHEV Strong Hybrid. This is the tech-forward choice that intelligently switches between EV, hybrid, and engine modes without the driver needing to do a thing. It delivers 253 Newton-meters of electric torque and a segment-leading fuel economy of 27.26 kilometers per liter without ever needing to be plugged in. Honda isn't holding back on safety either. The new City features Level 2 ADAS, known as Honda Sensing, which acts as an invisible co-pilot to handle highway cruising, high beams, and collision mitigation braking. This tech is now available across both hybrid and petrol models, including manual transmissions. To help with tight spots, there's also a new 360-degree multi-view camera with moving obstacle detection. The new Honda City starts at an introductory price of 11,999,000 rupees. For those looking at the hybrid, Honda is offering a 5-year or 100,000-kilometer warranty on all hybrid system components for extra peace of mind. That's the new Honda City. Sharper, smarter, and still one of the most sophisticated sedans in the game. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Petrol or Team Hybrid?